morning, scholars. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to see some common multiples. So let's start.
So, as the name suggests, you have to find common multiples. Now, the multiples which are common are known as common multiples. Yes, and we have already seen how to find multiples. How you can find multiples, children? Yes, it is by either multiplication or by division. Yes, so in the previous video we saw even the difference between the factors and multiples. Yes, do you remember this chart? Yes, wherein multiples go up to the mountains and factors will always go down to the floor. This was the mantra which I gave you to remember the difference between the factors and multiples. Obviously, students, multiples will be greater than the number and the factors will be smaller than the numbers. Okay, and we even saw the other example, that is 5 multiplied by 4 will give me 20, and 5 and 4 are factors of 20, whereas 20 is the multiple of 4 and 20 is the multiple of 5. So I hope it's clear to you. Okay, now moving on to the new topic, that is common multiples. Now we will have one example and likewise I will explain you. That is, you have to find two common multiples of 3 and 5. So common multiples ढूंढने हैं 3 और 5 के. So first of all I'll have multiple of 3 and then I'll have multiple of 5 and then I'll find common multiple as you do in the case of common factors. कॉमन फैक्टर्स भी वैसे ही ढूंढते हैं ना, फैक्टर्स निकालो दोनों नंबर के और उसमें से कॉमन कौन से हैं वो सर्कल आउट करो. सो द सेम थिंग वी विल डू. सो मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3 मीन्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ 3 मीन्स द टेबल ऑफ 3. yes, so 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. so मैंने 10 तक टेबल लिखा. ओके, now multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50 till 10. Okay, now we will find the common thing. Let's check out. Okay, here 15 is there, so 15 and 15 and here 30 is there and 30 and 30 here. So we will have our final statement because we are being asked to find only two common multiple. दो ही पूछे, दो तो मिल गए. So we will have our final statement, that is the first two common multiples of 3 and 5 are 15 and 30. Okay, now moving on to the next example which I have taken from the page number 34 and worksheet number 3. नाउ वर्कशीट लिखा है तो वर्क बुक में से लिया है, वर्कशीट वर्क बुक में से लिया है. ओके, सो द एग्जाम्पल इज फाइंड टू कॉमन मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 15 एंड 20. 15 और 20 के कॉमन मल्टीपल्स ढूंढने, तो 15 का टेबल आना चाहिए एंड 20 का टेबल आना चाहिए. यस, सो मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 15 विल बी 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 8, 90 and 105 and then 120, 135 and 150. This is 10. 15 10 times लिखे हैं, 15 1 times, 15 2 times, likewise 10 times. And multiples are unlimited. I have only taken till 10 but it is unlimited. Fine. Multiples of 20, how you will find 20? 2 का टेबल लिखो and 0 0 लगाते जाओ पीछे से. Okay. 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, then 100, 120. Okay, so 6 हो गया, then 140, 160, 180 and then 120, 200. Sorry, it's 10s. 20 10s are 200. Fine. Now we will find the common multiples. 30 है ना, तो 30 तो होना चाहिए, नहीं है. Okay, then 60. Yes, 60 is a common multiple. And then 120 I am seeing as a common multiple. Okay, so we have found the two common multiple, two ही पूछे हैं, so we will have the final statement. Okay, the first two common multiples of 15 and 20 are 60 and 120. Fine. Now moving on to the next example, which I have taken again from the page number 34 and worksheet number 3. Worksheet number 3, that is workbook page number 34. Okay, and it says that find two common multiples. खाली दो ही common multiple ढूंढने हैं. But of three numbers. Previously we saw two numbers only. ये तीन number है 15, 10 and 5. So तीनों के common ढूंढने हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि खाली दो के है common and you circle it out. It should be common to all the three numbers. Fine. So let's start with the table of 15. 15 ones are 15, 2s are 30, 3s are 45, 4s are 60, 5s are 75, 6s are 90, 7s are 105, 8s are 120, 9s are 135 and 10s are 50. 150. Fine. Now 10 का table 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Okay. Now multiples of 5. So 5 का table लिखना है. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So till 10. First of all, we will write till 10. Okay. Now we will find common multiples. Let's start. 15, 60. So sorry, 30 is there. Yes, 30 here and 30 here. Okay. Now I think 60 is here. 60 is here and 5 के टेबल में भी 60 आएगा. I know that, but this is still 10 only. We have written 5 tens are 50 and I know that 50 के बाद 55 and 60. So 60 आएगा. That is 5 12s are 60 होता है. So what I have done, multiples are unlimited. Yes, so I have extended the table of 5. 5 का टेबल 10 तक ही लिखा था. Now I have written till 12 because I know that 60 is common with 15, 60 is common with 10 and 60 is common with 5 also. And I have been asked two multiples. I found only one multiple. So second तो ढूंढना पड़ेगा. Yes, so I'll circle it 60 as my second multiple. So this I did purposely, students. You saw the trick how we can move on. Yes, if you find that one of the multiple is not there, you can extend the multiples of a particular number. Okay, so my final statement will be the first two common multiples of 15, 10 and 5, three numbers are 30 and 60. Okay, 90 भी common होगा. आगे अगर आप बढ़ाओगे, if it is told three common multiple, so you can write the table of 5 further. You will get 90. See, 90 is here also, 90 is here also. So in 5 ka table also you will get 90. So extend it. So you will find the third multiple. Okay. Now moving on to the next page, that is common multiple, and I have taken it from the page 105 of your textbook. That is let's practice ka section. Okay. And 2A is the question, and when you open to the textbook, open your textbook to the page 105, you will see that you have to find common multiple of 2 and 3 by using the number lines. Yes, previously we didn't use number line. यहाँ पे number line use करके you have to find. So you have to make the frog jump at the gap of 2 and make the frog jump at the gap of 3. So see, while 2 I am using the blue pen. 0 say 2 and 2 say 4 and 4 say 6. The frog is jumping. Okay. And now the frog of 3. So it will jump at a gap of 3. 3 counting. Okay. So from 0 to 3 and from 3 to 6 directly it will jump. Now for seeing the common multiple, see that wherein the blue line and the red line are intersecting या join हो रहे हैं, कहाँ वो join हो रहे हैं, that will be common. Yes, so I can say that 0 पे 0, okay, and 1 पे नहीं, 2 पे नहीं, 3 पे नहीं, 4 पे नहीं, 5 पे नहीं, 6 पे. Yes, 6 number is the number wherein the frog jumps commonly. The red line and the blue line is meeting at 6. Yes. So I can say that the common, least you don't have to write, you have to write the common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. Okay, fine. Let's have the other example which I have taken from the page 105, the same page, and it is 2c, and you have to find the common multiple of 3 and 4, and that too by using the number line. Now students, this number line is tricky one. See, 1 is not written, 3 is not written, 5 is not written, 7 is not written, 9 नहीं लिखा है and 11 नहीं लिखा है. Okay, so I have done a number line wherein you have to make the frog jump at the gap of 3 and at the gap of 4 and see where the frog is jumping commonly. Okay, for 3 I have taken red line. So 0 से 3 पे jump, then 6 पे jump, then 9 पे jump and then 12 पे jump. Okay, 3 का table. 4 I have taken with a blue line. So 0 से 4 पे jump, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So at the gap of 4 the frog will jump. Now we will see wherein the red and the blue line is meeting. So 0 पे हो रहा है but 0 will not be considered as a common multiple. Okay, so 1 पे नहीं है, 2 पे नहीं है, 3 पे नहीं है, 4 पे भी नहीं है, 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Yes, at 12 they both are meeting. So I can say that the common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. You don't have to write least. Don't make a mistake. Okay, least नहीं लिखना है. You have to write the common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. This LCM or the least common multiple you will study in your higher standards. Till in your standards you have to study only common multiples. Okay, so this is by using the number lines.